In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom fonts in PowerPoint. This is a great way to ensure your presentation's unique look is preserved no matter where or how it's being displayed. Whether you're sharing it with colleagues, presenting to a client, or even just working on different devices, embedding fonts is the key to maintaining a consistent visual style. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have it up and running, great. This is where we'll start. Once you're in PowerPoint, navigate to the specific presentation where you plan to use custom fonts. This is important because the changes we make will be specific to this file, ensuring the fonts you choose become an integral part of your presentation's design. With your presentation open, look towards the top of your screen and find the File tab. Clicking on this will pull up a menu of different options related to managing your document. This tab is your gateway to settings that will allow you to adjust how your presentation is saved, hence preserving the custom fonts within the file itself. Now in this menu you'll want to click on Options. This option is typically found towards the bottom of the left side menu. Clicking Options will open a new window with various categories of settings related to the operation of PowerPoint. Don't worry if this looks a bit overwhelming, we're going to focus on just one area today. In the Options window you will need to click on the Save category. The Save section deals with how your files are stored and shared, and it's exactly where we want to be to make sure your fonts are embedded correctly within the presentation file. Scrolling down the Save options, you'll find a section labelled Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. This fancy phrase simply means keeping your presentation looking consistent and reliable whenever and wherever it's viewed. This section contains the specific setting to embed fonts. In the Preserve Fidelity section, you will see a checkbox labelled Embed Fonts in the file. Check this box. Doing so tells PowerPoint to include the actual font files within your presentation. This might slightly increase the file size, but it ensures that anyone opening your file will see it as intended, with all the correct fonts displayed, even if they don't have those fonts installed on their computer. Finally, with that box checked, hit OK. This will save your settings and close the Options menu. Now your PowerPoint presentation will have the custom fonts securely embedded, leading to a polished and professional appearance wherever it's shared. And that's it, you're all set to showcase your presentation without any worries about font issues. Thanks for watching.